I'm a hands person. I like action. I like the opportunity to work with people. In our local communities, we're involved in sponsorships. The Syracuse Crunch, we do a teddy bear toss with them every year. So they throw gently used teddy bears on the ice after they score a goal, and then we clean those bears for them, and then we take those to the Salvation Army, and then they donate them back to families that come in and select those bears. Those are unique opportunities that help us build relationships with other small businesses in the communities.